Okay, so here it has been asked to show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given circle, so one circle if I have and one rectangle if I have, one rectangle, so it is inscribed in this circle, so it means that the diameter of the circle should coincide with the diagonal of the rectangle. In all the cases, whenever a rectangle is inscribed in a circle, the, the diagonal of the rectangle should coincide or should be equal to the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle. So if suppose uh, the radius is r, then the diameter of the circle is 2r. And if the length of the or if length of one side of the rectangle is x centimeters, then the length of the adjacent side of the rectangle, that is suppose y. So therefore, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem here, then we can say that x square plus y square will be equal to 2r whole square. So therefore, y square will be equal to 4r square minus x square. So therefore, y we can say that is equal to square root of 4r square minus x square. So now, therefore, the area of the rectangle, that will be equal to x into y, length into breadth. So that xy square units. So that will be equal to x into square root of 4r square minus x square. Here, and now here r is constant. Here r should be constant. Since why? It is told that show that all rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle. So the circle is fixed here. It is a fixed circle. So fixed circle means it should have a fixed radius. The radius cannot change. So the radius is constant. It means that 2r or this 4r square, this thing is a constant. So the only variable is x. So let's say the area of the rectangle, we call it as some function f of x. So now we have to show that the maximum area will be obtained when y equal to x. So here we have to show, we need to show that the function f of x, which is the area, will be maximum when y is equal to x. It means that y is equal to x, so y square equal to x square. So I can say that x square will be equal to 4r square minus x square. So therefore we can say that 2x square, that should be equal to 4r square. So it means that 2, 4 will cancel. So x should be equal to 2 root 2r. So x should be equal to root 2r. So if x is equal to root 2r, then only y also will be equal to, x, which will be equal to root 2r. So, and then only the area of the rectangle will be maximum. And then it will be then the rectangle will be a square. So that we have to prove. So now, therefore, it means that we know that f dash x will be equal to 0 and f double dash x will be less than 0 if x is a point of local maxima of the function f of x. Is a point of local maxima, of the function f of x. So now therefore here first we have to find f dash x. So f dash x will be equal to d by dx of x into square root of 4r square minus x square. So that will be equal to d by dx of x. So that will be square root of 4r square minus x square. into d by dx of x, that is 1, minus, so no, plus that will be x by 2 square root of 4r square minus x square into d by dx of 4r square minus x square, so that is minus 2x. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So then we can take the LCM, which is square root of 4r square minus x square, and this will be 4r square minus x square minus x square. So that is 4r square minus 2x square divided by square root of 4r square minus x square. So therefore, f dash x, that should be equal to 0. So if f dash x is 0, then we get that 2x square, that should be equal to 4r square. So it means that x square should be equal to 2r square. Is that x should be equal to root 2r. And here we should say that x should not be equal to 2r. That's why else the denominator will become 0. And if denominator is 0, then the fraction is undefined. So therefore, so now we have to find f double dash x also. F double dash x, that will be d by dx of 4r square minus x square divided by square root of 4r square minus x square. Square 4r square minus 2x square. So that will be square root of 4r square minus x square. We have to apply the quotient rule. Into that will be d by dx of this, that is minus 4x. Then minus that will be 4r square minus 2x square into d by dx of this. So that will be 1 by 2 square root of 4r square minus x square into d by dx of 4r square minus x square, that is minus 2x. Is minus 2x divided by, that is square root of 4r square minus x square whole square. So that will be so if we take the LCM here, so this will be 4r square minus x square into minus 4x, and this will be minus of x into this, so this will be plus x into 4r square minus 2x square, then that divided by 4r square minus x square. So that will be equal to, and here also 4r root over 4r square minus x square will be the LCM. So this will be whole power 3 by 2. So this will be minus 16 r square x, then plus 4x cube, then plus 4r square x, then minus 2x cube, divided by, this will be 4r square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So this is f double dash x. So now therefore f double dash x, that is equal to 4x cube minus 2x cube, that is 2x cube minus 12r square x divided by 4r square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So from here 2x I can take as common. So 2x into x square minus this will be 6r square divided by 4r square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So This is f double dash x. So now therefore f double dash of root 2r means when x is equal to root 2r, then that will be and x cannot be negative since it is the length. So we should not take plus minus root 2r. We should take only the positive value, that is root 2r. So f double dash root 2r, that will be 2 into root 2r into root 2r whole square, that is 2r square minus 6r square, divided by, that is 4r square minus 2r square whole power 3 by 2. So that will be equal to 2 root 2r minus 4r square divided by, that is 2r square whole power 3 by 2. So 2 power 3 by 2 into r square whole power 3 by 2. So therefore f double dash root 2r, so that will be equal to, so that is minus 8 root 2 minus 8 root 2 r power 3 divided by 2 root 2 this will be r power 3. So this will cancel, sorry, this 2 will cancel and root 2 will cancel, 2 4 is 8. So that is equal to minus 4, which is less than 0. So therefore we can see that at x equal to root 2r, f dash x is equal to 0 and f double dash x is less than 0. So it means that x equal to root 2r is a point of local maxima, of the function f of x, which is equal to x into root over 4r square minus x square. So now therefore y also, the length of the rectangle in that case will be square root of 4r square minus x square. So that will be equal to square root of 4r square minus root 2r whole square. So that will be equal to square root of 4r square minus 2r square. So that will be equal to root over 2r square. So that is equal to root 2r. Y is equal to root 2r and x equal to root 2r. So it means that x and y should be same. So hence we can say that, so therefore we can say that of all rectangles, therefore of all rectangles which are inscribed in a circle, in a fixed circle, inscribed in a fixed circle, the square is having the maximum area. The square has the maximum area. So hence proved. Thank you.